Cupertino-based Apple has reportedly released iOS 18.3 Public Beta 2, offering a glimpse at the upcoming software update. According to a report, the latest beta introduces minor enhancements aimed at refining the user experience, including a key update to the Calculator app and several bug fixes. A standout update in the new beta is the restoration of a previously removed calculator function, adds the report. Users can once again repeat calculations by pressing the equals button, a feature missing since the introduction of iOS 18. The reinstatement addresses user feedback, allowing for sequential calculations to be performed with ease. Building on groundwork laid in the earlier beta, iOS 18.3 Public Beta 2 reportedly continues to develop support for integrating compatible robot vacuums into the Home app. This marks an incremental step in Apple's ongoing efforts to enhance smart home functionality. While light on headline-grabbing features, the report stated that the beta prioritizes essential bug fixes and performance optimizations. These improvements are designed to ensure a smoother and more reliable user experience across devices. Existing public beta users can install the update by navigating to Settings, going on Software Update on their iPhone. Those new to beta testing must enroll in Apple's Beta Software Program, a free service that provides early access to forthcoming updates. Once registered, the update will be available via the Settings app. Compared to its predecessors, iOS 18.3 has been less feature-heavy, with Apple focusing on polishing the user experience. The anticipated iOS 18.4 release, expected in April, is likely to deliver more significant features. For those keen to explore the latest changes, iOS 18.3 Public Beta 2 provides a chance to test refinements ahead of the full release.